Hey, hello guys, it's Bryce Co. And today it's Easter Sunday, and I found something today. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see them, but there's some baby birds. It's so cute. I think it's only one, is it? Let's see here. Let's focus on them real quick. Alright, leave in the comments how many there are, and that's my sister Mallory. It's gonna sit down on this rocking chair. Very nice rocking chair. Here's another nest over here. They got some eggs. Yes, eggs. I don't know. Let's see here. Let's see if my camera can get it. See them beautiful eggs. Beautiful eggs.
Merry Easter, brother.
Yes, Merry Easter, everybody. Yeah, we're just out here at my grandma's house. And I have chocolate on my face. Aren't this baby bird so cute? Look at him. Oh, there's two. Alright.
There's 5 of them in there.
5? Oh, wow. Yeah, we just saw them. So, Mallory, what kind of eggs are these over here? Robin. Batquan and Robin. Wow. I can't wait to see if they hatch. These are the beautiful trees. I'm so happy that the bird thought that she could, like, lay them in this reef. I believe that's what it's called. They're so cute. I like that one right there. Oh, he just opened his mouth. Let's see. Oh, Lord. Yeah. I think that they're newborn. I think so. Yeah. Okay. So, happy Easter, everybody. My birthday was yesterday, so put down... Well, my birthday party was yesterday. My birthday will be on Thursday, so just put down in the comments happy birthday. And I am doing a giveaway. You get a prize if you subscribe, like, comment below what you liked about this video, and that's it to enter the giveaway. I will announce the lucky winner once I actually see comments. Alright guys, bye.